guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to do box braids. This is the first time that I'm ever doing it on somebody else, and I've done it once on myself before, which you can see here. And yeah, I'll be showing you how to do it, what I used, what products I put in the hair before I put the braid in. And yeah, let's get on with the video. So for these braids, I used Expressions hair in a brown colour, number 8, and I began with plucking the hair. This avoids a blunt, thick end to the braid and keeps them looking natural.
I need a girl to be there when I'm lonely. Someone who showed me feelings that you showed me, yeah. I need someone to wrap around my hands and just make you understand that you're mine. I need a girl to be there when I'm lonely. Someone who showed me feelings that you showed me, yeah. I need someone to wrap around my hands and just make you understand that you're mine.
To prep the hair, I put some water and some deep conditioner in, and I brushed that all the way through the hair. This is to keep the moisture in underneath the braid. I then sectioned off the hair with a parting and made sure that the parting wasn't too chunky so that the braids stayed looking natural.
And I won't stop grinding till I got my wall all flooded with 20 plaques. And girls come like Rubik's, wanting me to put in work till the mystery's solved. But I'm done reading into mixed signals, be up front or I'm not involved. I need a girl to be there when I'm lonely. Someone who showed me feelings.
Okay, so you're now going to take a piece of extension. How much you take will vary how big the braid is, so you just have to take that judgment as to how much you think would look right in the braid. As I'm going for a natural look, I didn't take too much, it's more to just bulk up the hair. Okay, so with these hair extensions, you're going to take 1/4 of the piece of hair that you've taken, and you're putting that over the top to create 3 pieces of hair. You're then either putting that on the top of the section of hair you're using or beneath. I did it beneath because I want to avoid the big knot at the top of the braid. And then you just braid it in as usual. You want to try and keep your grip as firm as possible to avoid slipping and to keep the braids in for longer. How tight you put the braid in, the longer it will last, but it also depends on the look that you want. So my friend has a sensitive scalp, and so I didn't want to pull too hard, and she also wanted it to look natural, whereas if you want it tight and if your scalp can take it, then you would pull it tighter.
But she the baddest of bees, so I know that she misbehaving. Cause she said that she loves me, but she's lying. I cannot trust her, but I'm trying. She wants me to take her abroad, it's only up the charts that I'm flying. Ex was selling dreams I ain't buying. Them man Stan Smith, cause they're spying. When I'm on the run with Bear, we bring the wave, you know where the tide is, yeah. I need a girl to be there when I'm lonely, yeah. Someone who showed me feelings that you showed me, yeah. I need someone to wrap around my hand and just make you understand that you're mine.
Okay, so again, so you can see up close, I'm trying to keep that grip as firm as possible, pushing the hair right up to the root, and then you're just plaiting down the braid as you would a normal plait.
Make you understand that you're mine.
These braids took a total of 7 hours to do, and when I did my own braids, they took 16 with lots of braids. So it is patience. Patience is key, and also with practice, it will become easier. It's just getting the hang of the grip and plaiting it all the way through the hair. Once that's complete, you then boil the kettle and put it into a big bowl.
Someone who showed me feelings that you showed me, yeah. I need someone to wrap around my hand and just make you understand that you're mine.
And then you're dipping the mid-lengths and the ends into the boiling water for a minute or so, and this seals the ends. You then carefully need to take your hair out of the water and just squeeze that off with a towel. Try not to rub, just pat and squeeze to seal those ends in and get all of the boiling water out of your hair.
And girls come like Rubik's, wanting me to put in work till the mystery's solved. But I'm done reading into mixed signals, be up front or I'm not involved. I need a girl to be there when I'm lonely. Someone who showed me feelings that you showed me, yeah. I need someone to wrap around my hand and just make you understand that you're mine. I need a girl to be there when I'm lonely, yeah. Someone who showed me feelings that you showed me, yeah. I need someone to wrap around my hand and just make you understand.
So that's the finished look. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you learned how to do it yourself if you'd like to give it a go. I am all here for trying different hairstyles, different braids. So if you have any suggestions of things you'd like to try on myself or on somebody else, put that down in the comment. Please make sure to like this video and keep on sharing. It means so much. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you're notified every time that I post a video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.